At the most important cancer drug development conference of the year, CEOs of some of the world's biggest drug companies presented their latest data, and many agree on one thing: there is a big new hope for cancer treatment. Meg Terrell has more from the meeting in Chicago.
ASCO is the biggest cancer research event in the world, and it was abuzz with excitement about immunotherapy, drugs that unleash the power of the immune system to fight cancer. Bristol Myers is a leader in the space, with 2 medicines on the market in melanoma and lung cancer. Merck also has a drug approved for melanoma, and its head of research, Dr. Roger Perlmutter, said this year is a turning point for the technology.
Abruptly, about 2 years ago, we and others began to show that we could manipulate the immune system in such a way as to reveal the pre-existing ability to actually eliminate tumors in some patients. Over the last couple of years, those results have expanded and increased in number.
Roche, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, and others are also developing immunotherapies for cancer, with multiple data sets at the conference. One major focus, using so-called biomarkers, signatures in patients' cancer cells that may determine who responds to which therapies.
Our strategy, Meg, with biomarkers is very clear. We are studying a broad population of patients in order to really understand what the role of biomarkers here. And what we're discovering is that it is a continuum. It varies by tumor, it varies by line of therapy.
Along with excitement about the drug's promise came a concern about their cost, particularly as they're used in combination. Both Bristol Myers and Merck's drugs are priced at more than $10,000 a month alone, causing doctors to worry about a new side effect, what some are calling financial toxicity. AstraZeneca CEO Pascal Soriot said he's considering new models of pricing cancer drugs.
If you cure or really turn cancer into a chronic condition, then you become very cost effective. Or alternatively, look at pricing for the treatment of a tumor type. So instead of selling you 1, 2, 3 vials of products, I will actually charge for the treatment of an episode of lung cancer and come up with a price that is sustainable.
Results were also presented on drugs for breast, colon, and other cancers. One experimental drug for ovarian cancer made by small biotech Immunogen drove the company's stock up more than 70% midday, showing the ASCO excitement spans not just the medical community, but the investment one as well. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell in Chicago.